So let me just show you some cool stuff that I have just realized. And again, this is my account. I haven't done a whole lot with it, but if you click on achievements right here, as you do pocket option, you will get all sorts of achievements. It'll say, oh, hey, here's a gift. You won this or that or whatever. So let me show you. Accept those. Get them. Say, okay, I want them. For a while, I was not accepting them. And now I'm kicking myself because I didn't care. I thought they were stupid little game things and I didn't care. But these are awesome. So what these are is as you do things. So this is how many deposits you can make. You can get one for trading different assets, all sorts of stuff, right? So as you do these, see these little dots. So this is like 2 of these red gems, whatever, right here. So these are your gems that you get. Now, this is where it gets cool, is how you can use these gems. If you click over here on market, go to the market, and ta-da! Okay, this is all stuff you can buy. You know how when you first sign up, you get the bonus 50%. If you don't know about that, ask someone because it's awesome. What the 50% bonus promo basically means is that if you deposit $100, they will give you a 50% bonus. So your account will actually have $150 in it. And they do that. This is the max bonus is up to $500, right? So you can deposit up to $1,000 and they will bump it up to $1,500. That's huge, right? That's free money. So here's the cool thing. And you can do that twice when you have a new account. It'll be a little box right up here. Make sure you click that and do that. The first couple times you do deposit. But if you want a bigger bonus, you can buy them right here. So this is a 60% bonus, 70% bonus, 80% bonus, 90% bonus, 100 and 110. These are awesome. 100% bonus. So basically that matches whatever you deposit into your pocket option account. It doubles. So you deposit $100 and now you have $200 in your pocket option account. You can withdraw this money. This is free money. So and it tells you right here what it costs. So this is, 25 of these red gems, 5 of the blue, and 9 of the green. These green are obviously the most expensive and hardest to get. And here's another little tip I just learned today. Okay, so let me tell you, I learned this the hard way. When you purchase one of these bonuses, and by the way, really quick before I say anything, don't ever buy a 50% or less bonus. The reason is because they are free. The 50% one, even if you've used your 2, just wait till the weekend and it'll come out. They'll have one out every single weekend. Okay, so now that we've confirmed that, when you do purchase one of these, they are only good for 30 days. That's what I got stuck on, and I did not realize that, and I lost it. I lost one that I had purchased. I purchased a 90% coupon or promo code, and when I went to use it, it wouldn't work, and come to find out it had expired. I didn't even know they had expiration dates. I had to learn the hard way. So don't don't make my mistake, learn from mine. So basically you can buy one of these. You just have to use them within 30 days. Now, these are the promo codes. Personally, for me, this is one of the best way. Like, this is where I would start with. I would definitely save up for these 90, 100%, because that's free money, right? The other ones, these are just some other ones you can do. These are bonus to your balance. So this is basically, you can buy this and add this much money to your account. Okay. I mean, it's cool, but honestly, it's not that cool. It's not risk-free. So this means you can cancel a lost trade of 10, 50, 100, 200, 300, clear up to 1,000. Or there's 2 lost trades. Okay, that is awesome. That means now also really quick, I do want to say, if there's a glitch, if you accidentally double click or you accidentally bump the wrong percentages or had the wrong time, you can put in a support ticket and tell customer service, hey, I did this, I didn't mean to, and I lost the trade. I have yet to have them say, sorry, Charlie. And it's only happened to me a few times, but every time I reach out, they can see there's a difference in the pattern. Like one time I accidentally placed a trade for 32% instead of 3%. And I mean, all of a sudden my account's 32% down because I lost it. And I submitted a support ticket, and they could go see, okay, all my trades were always 3%. And then this random one was 32%. So they reversed the trade for me. So always reach out to customer service. I wish I had known that before. They're really great to work with. So you can try that first. And I'm not just saying because you lost a trade and you're like, boo-hoo, I lost a trade, refund my money. But if it is a genuine, you have a case, a genuine, like, hey, I clicked it once and it didn't do it. So I clicked it again, didn't do it. I clicked it again. There was some sort of glitch in the program. They're awesome. They'll work with you. But you have to, they'll go and they can see your history. So they will confirm it before they do anything. But if this is just your mistake, like you placed a bad bet and it was a bad trade and you lost it, you can use these to cancel. And this one's up to $10, up to 50, 100. You can cancel that. So that's just the money that goes right back into your account. And so that's really cool. Cash back. This is again, and right here, so this is 2% of your losses. You can return that 3%, 4%, all that. So these are some other ways you can kind of get some money back if you had lost, but these are kind of expensive with the gems. So be careful and definitely kind of look around here and shop out what the ones that you think you would use the most. So here's so these are just more your experience points, which experience points get you like more gems and things like that. So that's kind of what these are. Active boosters, that just makes the boosters longer. These are the gems. Okay, this is another thing. You can, if you don't have enough of these gems, you can get mining licenses, which I haven't really gone into that a whole lot. These you have to pay money for. So I haven't really, like I said, I haven't checked those out. But if you scroll down, you can, and I did this today actually, you can exchange gems. So if you can trade in, like I said, 5 red ones will get you a blue one, and 5 blue ones will get you a green one. Or 25 red ones will get you a green one, which is the same conversion, basically a 5-to-1 for each level. So you can buy these with money, but you get the gems through the game. So definitely accept all of your awards. These are chests, which these are what the awards are a lot of times, is they give you these chests, and it's awesome because you open the chest and it might have a bunch of these gems in it. You just don't know. That's how I got all the gems that I had, is you just opened up the chest and there it is. So there you go. That is how you can use all this fun stuff. And like I said, and then bots. You can buy bots as well. It's not something I'm interested in, but I guess they might be free. Anyhow, that's some other stuff. And then there is things up here with the gems lottery. So if we go to the gems lottery, I haven't done a whole lot of those. It's something that, okay, place your trades on Saturday and Sunday, receive gems. Anyhow, it sounds like it's a weekend only thing. And then this is the gems mining, that you can buy the mining license. And again, I haven't looked into this a whole lot. It's just another way of doing it. But social trading rewards, here is another one. So go through here though and go and look and see how this stuff can help you out. Like I said, these market and step, a lot of these are really, really awesome. These bonuses, that is awesome. That's free money. So don't dismiss them. Like I totally dismissed them, just thinking this is stupid little game stuff when I first started, but they have some value there. So be sure to check it out. I hope that helps you.